Okay, hi guys, welcome to the Girly Pop. Today we're just gonna make a simple squishy. I have actually never made a squishy, so let's wish us luck. Okay, so first I have food wrap or plastic wrap. I'm gonna take a little bit of it. Let me see how much you need. About this much, so none of it falls out. So now I took this much, and I'm gonna put it on a surface. Let's see what happens. And then I'm gonna grab my cornstarch and pour it in. Okay, so now once you have that, I think I did my plastic wrap a bit too short. I'm gonna wrap both sides like this. See? Keep folding and folding. You can see if you have any holes, I recommend definitely a couple other layers. So let me just add one more layer. Okay, so I added a couple other layers, but you can tie it if you want. I am just gonna grab a mini hair tie and just wrap it around. Tie it. So now this is super satisfying. I'm so surprised that it worked out. Now let's make another one, but a different kind of squishy because I love the sound of this. Love the feel of it. Let's just see some ASMR. Definitely recommend this. It's such a satisfying squishy. Now let's make a squishy. Squishy, you also need plastic wrap, cornstarch, and you could use any kind of soap. I have shampoo. Don't mind, don't judge. Okay. So now we are gonna pour some. Yeah. Also need a bowl. As much cornstarch as you want in here. I just put a bit. And then I'm gonna start off with 1 pump of soap. Now you can mix. Once you get the perfect ratio like this, it might take a long mixing time. Then you can color it, which is optional. So I just have a marker. I'm just gonna dot it. I don't want paint because then it would be stain it. And let's mix. Okay, so I've got this really pretty and very soft clay, and I think it does dry. You just have to put a lot of coat on it. So you guys could always just leave the clay like this, or you could follow my recipe and make it into a squishy. Okay, so for this part, I just added some plastic wrap. I just did a couple layers around it, and yeah, around the clay, and that's basically it for me making this squishy. So I did another layer, and I'm gonna grab a little hair tie and tie it around the end. You can either cut it or just leave the end like this. I'm just gonna go like this. So now it's a super satisfying, slow rising squish. Decorate it any you want. You guys can put charms in it. So yeah, today we made 2 very nice squishies. We made this cornstarch one, which is super satisfying, and then this clay one, which is also super satisfying. And yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe to the Girly Pop. Yes, I changed my name for you just watching this. And thanks for watching. Goodbye.